What's up, guys? What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Alright, so welcome back to Season Studios. Today, in this little quick video, I'm going to be showing you how to, finish your rug, right? Once you're done with tufting it and putting it into whatever fabric that you're using, it could be burlap or monk's cloth. This is how you finish it off with the whole gluing process. I didn't show the gluing process, but the whole putting the backing on, shaving it down, all that. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, let's get into it. So first you want to start off by cutting all excess material, not all, but probably like 1 inch away from your yarn. You want to cut all that extra material off. Because this is a circle rug, I'm cutting it in a circle, as you can see. And yeah, we're gonna fast forward this and get to the next step. Now, once you finish cutting all the excess material and keeping a 1 inch diameter, you want to go back over it and cut little strips like 1 inch apart. Now we're on the hot gluing part. So just gonna put the hot glue on the back of the rug and fold those extra pieces inward. Make sure everything gets neat and flat and nice. Alright, so we're done with our hot gluing process for now, at least. I'm using spray adhesive, Professional Performance. I got it at Walmart. I think it was about like $7. And we have our felt material to go on the back of the rug. So once you're done spraying both sides, you want to fold it over, not fold it over, but lay both of the sprayed areas on top of each other. Apply a little bit of pressure to kind of help it be a little better of adhesive. Then you want to cut the rest of that excess off the felt rug. Now the same thing I did with the whole monk's cloth. I'm going to leave maybe like 1 inch of material of felt. So when I go back over it with the hot glue and making everything tight so the backing of the rug doesn't pull off or pull away from the rug, then I'll go back over it and cut all that extra piece off. Now that we're done with the whole backing piece, it's time to get into the shaving process. Shout out to my mom for, getting me these clippers for my birthday. They're way better than the clippers I had before. But we're just gonna shave it down, make everything even, and yeah. Once the majority of the shaving process is done, now we're gonna go back with the clippers unguarded and use the clippers to enhance the details of the design of the rug. And finally, to end this whole process, we're going to vacuum all the, shavings off the rug and enjoy the rug. Get it prepared for shipping. What's up? What's up? What's up? And I'm back. Okay, look, we finished it. Real clean, real easy. It took probably about 2 hours, but all in all, it was pretty easy, pretty simple. I just want to give a shout out to my mom for giving me these right here. She got me these for my birthday, and they are way better than the clippers I was using before. But If you like the video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And welcome to the family.